Hello, lawn mowing people. What I'm going to talk about today is how good deeds can get you free marketing for your lawn mowing business. Now, paying for advertising is not the only way to get new customers. If you enjoy doing good things, then you can do good things in the community and it can grow your business at the same time. So it's a win win for everybody. Now, how do good deeds help a lawn mowing business? Well, it's easy to help out in your community and you can gain free publicity for your business at the same time. You can do it by offering lawn mowing as a service to those in need in the community. And you could mow lawns for people like an elderly neighbour, a struggling single mum, low income family, disabled person. A simple gesture of goodwill can be incredibly powerful and can make people think good things about your business and get those warm, fuzzy feelings when they're thinking about your business. And the major benefits are it doesn't cost a lot of money. Uh, it's pretty cheap to do, and it helps build your business reputation. You spell that right, and so you start getting a good name around town, and it also makes you feel good. So that's a good place to be. Now, about the free marketing and the publicity, it's not just the good deed that counts. You can let your local community know about the work that you're doing through things like word of mouth, through social media channels, and even through local newspapers. Community newspapers are always looking for stories, and they're especially looking for feel-good stories. And social media is a great place for this kind of post too. And another thing that you could do is if you've got a local community site like Neighbourly, which is one that's run here in New Zealand, then you could actually post on those sites and get and people can see what good you're doing around the neighbourhood. Another good thing about Neighbourly is that's actually owned by Stuff, and Stuff is one of the largest news sites in New Zealand. And so when you post on Neighbourly, let's say you mow a lawn for somebody that's struggling for some reason, and you mow their lawn for free, and you put a post about it on Neighbourly, there's a chance that your post is going to end up here on the Stuff website. And this is, as I said, one of the largest sites in New Zealand for news. And there you go. This is actually all stories, top stories from Norton. And normally, if you do a feel good story on there and lots of people like it, you'll end up in this spot here. And I can't imagine what you pay for that spot. But a lawn mowing business certainly couldn't afford to buy it. Well, as I said, this kind of listing is free if you post something newsworthy on the Neighbourly site. And this can be an awful lot of free exposure for your business if you can actually get that spot. Another thing is tax write-offs. You're eligible for tax write-offs for a portion of the time and money spent. And the IRD allows people to deduct the cost of their services when they help charitable organisations and people in need. And so you can claim back things like salary and gas. And your accountant's probably the best place to go for this information. But there's also this place here that you could go, and this is a website, and they just basically deal with people, with companies that give and individuals that give, and how you can get tax benefits from that. So that's also a good place to check out. And so why not join the movement of do-gooders and mow some lawns, do some good, and enjoy the benefits of tax write-offs. Of course, the other thing is that customers are going to love you. If your customers know that you're helping people in the community, this can increase their loyalty, and loyal customers stick around. They'll also talk about you to family and friends, and one of the best ways to get new customers is through word of mouth and those kind of referrals. So how do you get started? So you're ready to go. Start by finding a local family or charity in need of assistance. Don't go looking around for the first overgrown lawn and offer to do a cleanup. That's the kind of thing that you want to do if you want to do YouTube videos. You want to ensure that there's a genuine need, not just a case of extreme laziness. I remember a few years ago when we were out walking our dog, I noticed that the local SPCA was getting more and more overgrown every time we passed just the verge outside. And I said to my wife, I kind of noticed it the first couple of times, but I really noticed it the third time. And I said to my wife, I might give them a ring and just offer to do that verge for them for free because, I mean, it was a small job and a good piece of publicity. But someone beat me to it. And but there's things like that all the time. Just if you keep your eye out, you'll see them. Another way to find people in need is to talk to local charities, and they'll always have a list of people who are in genuine need and need your services the most. And remember, lawn mowing isn't the only way to give. There's other ways that you can do good by volunteering at a local charity, cleaning up a local park, or even coaching the local kids football team. I know someone that does that. And once you start looking for opportunities, the sky's the limit. Just remember, if you're doing these things, post about it on your business Facebook page. Let people know. So in conclusion, everybody benefits from good deeds. Business owners get exposure from doing something good, and residents are provided with a great service, and it makes everyone's home look nice and tidy. It's easy to get started. The rewards are great. So why not spread some good and do some good deeds and save some marketing money in the process? So, and that's how happy you'll be if you go ahead and do that. And remember, if you want to grow your lawn mowing business, make more money without working any harder, you can join the Lawn Mowing 101 membership now with a 7-day free trial. And you can either do a search or you can click on the link below this video and you'll get there and you'll get your free trial. Okay, so that's about all I've got to say. So get out there, mow lawns, have fun, and happy lawn mowing, people.